Go take me. You know it's nasty when you make a guy hit high notes like that. That's some nasty shit.
Oh my god. I didn't think it was gonna do that. Oh my god.
This should just make you want to keep pressing it just to make sure you get all this shit out of it.
See, it doesn't hurt when I squeeze it myself.
I'm just gonna push down on it.
Well, it's because you're expecting that. That's not enough.
Yeah, that's not.
You need more surrounding pressure.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's about to squeeze.
Oh,
I want to gag.
You're almost at like the base of it.
This is worse than watching videos.
Bro, you got some shit on your neck?
Just wash your hands here.